channel. So in this video, I'm going to be showing y'all how I installed this really easy glueless wig from Hot Beauty Hair. So on the website, it says it's called like a mixed color wig. As you can tell, there are some really pretty but subtle highlights throughout. So if you don't really like bold colors but you want a little bit of color, this is the wig for you. So the details on this wig is a 5x5 transparent lace wig. It is 16 inches and it is also glueless. So there are 3 combs in it. You get 2 combs right here, 1 comb right here, and 1 in the back. You also have 1 elastic band that kind of all wigs come with, and you also get an adjustable elastic band that will allow you to wear this wig as glueless. If you want to see how I got this look, keep on watching. So Hot Beauty Hair sent me this wig, and y'all already know they got you with all the stuff that you need for your wig install. So you have a little bag with some goodies in it, a pamphlet, and a ball cap so you can do your install. So this is a 5x5 closure wig. You have 1, 2, 3 combs, 2 on the side, 1 in the middle, and 1 in the back, and you have an elastic band, an adjustable elastic band that will let you wear it as a glueless wig if needed. So now I'm plucking the wig. Hot Beauty Hair's wigs, they come, you know, like if you're in a rush and you just want something to plop on your head without doing all the stuff that I do, then you know you could get away with not plucking it. But if you put in just a tad bit more work like I did, you'll be able to see that your wig will look like scalp. So now I have blow dried it and straightened it. I think I straightened it. But for the video, for this part of the video, I didn't really straighten it a whole lot because I wanted y'all to see how silky and straight this hair can get. So now I'm cutting the ends off on the bottom. Y'all already know I do not like it when the ends of my wigs look raggedy and ratty. So that's what I did. I like it especially for wigs for this length because, you know, like it looks like a silk press. So this is what the wig looks like. Apply this wig as if I were to wear it glueless so y'all can see that you don't necessarily have to have an adhesive, but if you want to, you can wear it. Now I'm installing the wig, and I'm not necessarily doing a ball cap because, like I said, I want to show y'all that you can wear this wig as a glueless one. So I just took a cap and I put it on my head, put it at my hairline, and I put some makeup on it as though I was doing a ball cap method, but no, got to be glued. Before I get to styling this, I just want to show y'all that there is no adhesive on this wig. I did not put any got to be glued, any ghost bond, anything of that sort on this wig. So, you know, I'm doing a little rat tail comb thing, dragging it across there. She is really giving scalp. Now that my wig is on, I'm gonna style it so y'all can see how silky this hair can get, and I will talk to y'all at the end. So this is what the wig looks like after I have flat ironed it again. I clipped the ends off, I cut the lace off the closure, and I did everything else to it. So I have really become a fan of these silk press kind of like throw on wigs because it's real natural and it's really easy to achieve, just like a regular I went and got my hair done type of look goes. I didn't get any shedding when I was washing it, when I was flat ironing it. Of course, when I plucked it, that's a given, but also when I was blow drying it, I got a little bit of strings. You know, you always get strings when you flat iron or even just really style a straight wig. But I'm in love with this. I really like it. This is gonna be a nice throw-on wig. I already have like one other throw-on wig and it's a bob. So to have something a little different, something with some color in it, I will definitely be wearing this in the future. So you've come to the end of this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. All my social media will be down in the description box, as well as videos that I have uploaded in the past. So with that being said, I'll see y'all in my next video.